Hello, we have this Samsung microwave. It's probably about 10 years old. The microwave itself still works fine. However, there's an issue. It's got this rotary encoder here to set the time. And unfortunately, it's become very unreliable. So now it's jumping all over the place when you're trying to set the time, making the oven itself nearly unusable. So if you just want to warm a cup of water, then you will be spending 20 seconds trying to set the time here before you can start it. And it will be jumping like from 10 seconds to 99 minutes and so on. So I think I'll try to take it apart and see if we can do something to clean this encoder here. Maybe we can get it back to fully working order again. So I'll just take all the screws out and then we can remove the lid. Okay, I have all the screws out. So I think just pull back here. Yeah, that's it. So what I'm interested in is, of course, this module in front here, but it doesn't look like there's any access to the encoder in here, so I think I need to take the whole front plate off here. So there's a screw up here on top. And then the whole panel just comes out here. I'll just remove these plugs here. There we go. So here we have the control module out. And you can see the encoder is hidden under here somewhere. So I think I'll take the circuit board out here. Let's remove this flat cable. There's a screw here. And it looks like there's a tap holding it in here. Have to be a little bit careful. There we go. And it looks like the next board here is held in place with these slides. There's another screw over here. Probably slide this down. No, maybe we can take the knob off. No, it doesn't move. I think I see something. I think there's some clips here, maybe that will help. Okay, that got the front plate off. I see. So the knob cannot come off before this plate comes off because of this ring here. Okay, here we have our encoder. Now this slides down. So we can access the button as well, but I don't have any problem with any of the buttons, but you could also spray some contact cleaner if they're not completely sealed. Now I think these are completely sealed, so it wouldn't help anything. But this thing, we can definitely spray some contact cleaner in that. So I'm just using a pure alcohol contact cleaner here. Give it a good spray. Just massage it a bit. Not sure if there's a hole in the back here, but let's just try spray some. So this contact cleaner I'm using here is purely alcohol. It's not going to leave anything behind, but it will still clean the contact surfaces. Let's just give it one more spray here. Okay, I think I'll just try to put it back together again to see if it helps. Go. Okay. I think the screw goes down here. And put this back in place. And I'll put the whole module back in place. Connect the cables again. There we go. Just slide this thing in place and secure it with the screw on top here. Okay. And I'll put the cover back in place. And screw it all back together again. I'll switch on the power, see if it comes back to life. So far so good. Of course the time hasn't been set, but let's try this. Yes, it's very nice now. Perfect. Yeah, that's as good as new. Before it was jumping like a minute at a time sometimes. Now it's perfect. You can set small intervals, or you can go quickly, set large intervals. Perfect. So yeah, that was an easy repair. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and give a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.